come join me in the kitchen today, y'all, because I am making my sweet husband a treat. Michael has the biggest sweet tooth, and he loves this particular dessert, a cannoli. I'm not wild about them. I think because they're not sweet enough for me. I'm thinking, you know, it needs to be really, really sweet. But Michael loves them. And when we go to an Italian restaurant, he always, at the end of the meal, he has a cup of coffee, espresso, double shot of espresso, and a cannoli. So, I'm getting ready to put this together. It's a simple recipe, y'all. I am taking a third of a cup of heavy cream. Okay, get every bit of that goodness out of there. Half of my powdered sugar. Oh, and I meant to tell y'all that I'm actually halving the original recipe because us three don't need to eat.
We don't have discipline.
I know.
Discipline, so we feel that we have to eat, clear our plate.
I've been a plate clearer all of my life, and I'll finish off my life being a plate cleaner.
Minimalizing.
Yes. All right, I've got my cinnamon, and I'm gonna beat this up a little bit before I add the amaretto. Get it nice and stiff. Oh, and don't let me forget, I want to talk to y'all about the actual cannoli. We picked these up from our bakery that's located in our grocery store. You can go to a real bakery that deals in nothing but pastries and get it there. You can order them online, or you can make your own. So I'm saying let's make it easy on ourselves.
And they can just do the chocolate.
Yes, because my recipe tells you to dip your cannoli in chocolate, melted chocolate. But see, the grocery store saved us a step. And I'm a firm believer in saving steps if you can, and not compromise your recipe. In goes the rest of our powdered sugar and our amaretto. I like amaretto. I think it's called a White Russian. Okie dokie. That's tasting real good, y'all. I want to make sure this is nice and stiff because we've got our ricotta to fold into this, and I just don't want it runny. All right, so I'm going to take our pistachios and I'm going to fold them into our ricotta, or mix them. Kind of hard to fold this, but I am going to fold this into that. Let me pick up this bowl so I can get a grip on this. Those pistachios smell incredible. The nuttiness. I love pistachios too. Okay, so we're gonna fold this in. And we want to do it kind of gentle.
I saw that, Eddie.
What did he do?
He took a little bit of the whipped cream off of the mixer.
Okay, here we go. The last of the ricotta. How do they say it? I know I don't say it like they're supposed to, like a true Italian. Ricotta or something like that. It's ricotta to me. Okay. that ricotta is really thick. So I'm actually gonna have to give that a little stir. Folding is good, but I feel like that was very thick ricotta. Okay, so if you don't have a piping bag, I actually have one, but it's like this size, y'all. I don't want to fool with a gallon size pastry bag. So I just took me a little plastic bag and I nipped the corner out of it. And you don't want to put a tip in there because those nuts, the hole has to be big enough for your nuts to go through it. Because the pistachios are just rough cut. So, and I've set it in my bowl. So I've got plenty of hands. So I'm just gonna fill that bag full. And after we get,
Oh, I'm sorry. Just to let them know about the pastry shells, you can also, the bakery will also have the larger ones. You can either get larger ones or smaller ones.
Yeah.
And again, we're on a diet.
Yeah. You know, I would feel better. Y'all hush. I would feel better eating 2 small ones.
I know.
Just, it's a mind trick.
Or 3 small ones.
Or 3 small ones, yes. All right, so I'm gonna shake this up. Where's my hole?
See, the sad part is
I can't even see the hole.
Did you cut it? I don't know. Oh, yeah.
I did, I cutted it.
I don't even need the
There
shell.
it is.
I could just eat the filling.
I know. All right, so here we go. I've cut my hole. And now we just gonna feel. Yum. And then when I go to serve them, y'all, I will dust them with some extra powdered sugar. Now this is kind of soft, so I forgot to seal my bag up. So you will need to put these in your refrigerator. Get down in there.
You could probably make that ahead of time. Put it in your
Oh
pastry
my
bag and
gosh,
just have it ready to go.
Absolutely.
And do them right before the...
Yes. And then squirt them right before your guest arrive. I like it coming out the end a lot. You know, don't jip me on the on the cream. Now these will need to sit in your refrigerator for 2 hours because that heavy cream and ricotta needs to firm up again. Oh, and did I say, I think I said that when I serve these, I will dust them with extra powdered sugar. Did I say that?
Yes.
Do you want me to get you a little extra?
No, because these got to go in the refrigerator, Teresa.
Do you really think they're going to make it to the refrigerator?
I don't know. I was kind of thinking maybe. You know what? And I'm not throwing away this cheese mixture because I know Michael and me, I don't know about y'all too, but we like the inside part. So,
Oh, yeah.
so if we feel like I've not filled them properly,
You have extra to
we
fill.
have this.
Or you could put a whole dollop around it and put it in the middle. And then you have outside and inside.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. So there we go, just that simple. The pistachios brings it over the top. Taste it, Teresa.
Yum, yum.
Isn't that wonderful?
Said I don't need the shell.
You want to look at me too? You want to lick Eddie? You know you do. There you go. There's your lollipop. So 2 hours in the refrigerator. Dust them with a little powdered sugar when you get ready to serve them. And people will think that you have been working all day. So if you've got a sweet husband or a sweet wife, you want to fix a treat for them. This is an easy one. And Lord knows life is hard enough. So there's some things we want to make easy. And fun. Loving best dishes, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.